Magandang araw po muli at tayo magpapatuloy sa ating pag-aaral sa ating subject na Mathematics 8. Okay? At muli ako po ang inyong guro si Teacher Yul. At tayo po nasa week 7 na po. Ang topic natin ay about sa systems of linear equation in two variables. Okay, bago tayo tumuloy sa ating lesson ay magkaroon muna tayo ng short review. At meron tayong tanong dito na 5 pero yung ating sasagutin lang po ay ito. Yung number 1. So, dito makikita natin yung that is the slope and the y-intercept. It means that we use the y equals mx plus b. So, the formula that we are going to use is the slope-intercept form. Ymx plus b. So, ayan. So, kapag nakita niyo po yung ganang situation, ay alam niyo na po yan. Because this is the formula. Okay, so let us now substitute the value. We have negative 5 at lagi pong kasama ang x-term kapag ganitong formula plus 1. That is the intercept of y. So now we have the slope-intercept form equation. Ito na yung equation ng line in the form of slope-intercept. But if you want to write to the standard form, okay, so we have 5x plus y equals 1. Bakit naging 5x? Kasi nilipat natin yan. It will change the sign. Or you can use the AP. Okay, so you can use the opposite additive inverse. You can use positive 5x. Dito ay 5x. Okay, so yun. So both sides gagawin din po. Okay, so now this is the equation of the line is in standard form. Standard. Okay, so meron tayo standard. So if you want to write in general, the general form is 5x. Magkalimutan lahat ng ating mga inaral. So that kabisado nyo. Minus 1 equals 0. That is the general standard form. General form rather. Standard form, general form. Okay. So, alam na natin yung sagot. Yun na po. Okay. So, if you want to graph that, alam nyo na kung paano graph yan. No? So, we have 5x plus y equals 0. So, set the value of x to 0 and y equals to 0. Okay. So, it means that itong y-intercept equals to may agad tayo na yung dito ang sagot na ay 0 and 1. Dito naman ay setting the value of y equals 0. So 5x, that is 1/5. So 1 over 5 minus 0. So pattern the points. So magbilang ka lang. That is 0 and 1. 1, 2, and 1/5. So equal yan sa 0.2. 10.2. Ayan. So method. Ayan ang kanyang graph. That is the point of the equation of the line. Okay? Ito yung equation of the line, then ito yung line sa graph natin. Okay? So, yan. So, dito naman, ang ating gagawin ay find the equation, no? Find the equation of the line given the graph. So, we have 3 graphs here. Okay, so but we will use the example number 3. So, the formula that we are going to use to write the equation of the line ay is 2 form, not 2-point form. So, 2 points kasi ayan ang graph natin. So, to make a line, we need 2 points. Okay. So, let us start. What is the formula of 2 points? So, the formula of 2 points equals y minus y sub 1 minus equals your slope y sub 2 y sub 1 over x sub 2 x sub 1 and then the quantity of x minus x sub 1. So, ayan. Alam nyo na yan yung ating formula. So, now substitute the value. So, find first the point. So, that's just number 3. What are the points? we have negative 2. So negative 2, and that is 0. And then the other point we have 1, 0, 1, and 2. So that is 0 and 2. 0 and 2. That's right, 0 and 2. So starting now to find the equation, how to write the equation is the formula. So substitute, we have y minus, so this is our point 1 or point 2. O bahala kayo, where is your point 1? So sa akin ito yung point 1. So that is 0 equals, for slope we have negative 2. I use the y sub 1 minus, I'm sorry. Okay. Y sub 2 na, y sub 2 minus y sub 1, that is 0. Okay, then next is 0 and minus negative 2. Okay, basta sundin na po ang formula. Then x minus x sub 1, that is negative 2. Now, I'm proceeding now to the equation, but you can use the slope formula, no? Muna, para mabilis. Y sub 2, y sub 1, then x sub 2, x sub 1. So, for now, you can use the, ito na yan, 2, 0 over, okay, 0 minus negative 2. So, simplifying for the slope, the value of the slope, we have 2, and that is 0, 2. Okay, so 2. Okay, so the answer is, okay, 2, 2, and then that is 1. Positive 1. So, check natin dito. 2 over 2, positive. Okay, that's right. That is 2 over 2 and 175. So, after that, punta ka na doon sa equation online, minus 0 equals, your value of slope is 1, and then your x plus 2. Okay, simplify natin yan. So, let us now proceed. Tuloy natin. So, ito po, x na lang yan. So, understood na, pag yung may 1 tayo, x na lang yan. O, wag na pong isulat, then plus 2. So, this is our formula. Okay, so this is in the form of y equals mx plus b. Okay, so writing the standard form, we have x maging positive minus y, and then equals negative 2. Standard form. Okay, so yan lang mga ano nila, match. Okay, so ayun po ang ating sagot sa inyong review as topic. Okay, so now ito na po ang ating topic about the system, no? Pinag-usapan ng system na po. So bago tayo tumuloy dun, eh dapat nyo po ulit na review ang mga formula na ating ginagamit, yung ano, para makabisado lahat. Okay. At the same time, balikan ulit yung mga tinatawag din yung slope, direction of the slope, no? Malagay yun. So, kapag going to right side, that is positive, and then your slope is greater than 0. Then, kapag going to left, that is negative, your slope is less than 0. Okay, then kapag horizontal, that is equal to 0, your slope. And then vertical is undefined, your slope. Okay, natalakay natin yan, no? About bakit naging undefined, then horizontal, negative and positive lahat. So, balikan na lang po lahat yan. Okay, so ito na po yung ating lesson talaga, no? About the system of linear equation. Okay. So, makikita nyo po na mayroon tayong 3 graphs at the same time 3 equations. So, atin pong i-compare yung equations kung ano po ang kanyang mabubuong line. Okay, so makita nyo na po, malinaw naman po na ito po ay different lines. At the same time, you can define, no? You can define different lines. Then, anong klase yung kanyang pinapakita na we call that the relationship. Okay? So, in the first graph, meron tayong perpendicular lines. Ano? Ibig sabihin perpendicular lines, nagtatagpo sila. We have intersecting point. Okay, and in the second one, we have the parallel lines. And then we have the two equation, but it lies, no? Okay, it lies to one line, the same line na lang siya. Okay, so let us now explain furthermore. So in first graph, we have one solution, sabi doon. It means that meron siyang isang point. And that point, eh siya yung, kapag ginumpit dito, it will equate to 2. Okay, so yan ang kakalabasan niya. Okay, so pag sinubdicit yung value ng x at value ng y dito sa equation na dalawa, magbibigay siya ng equality. So it means that pag equal yun, solution siya. Okay, ito, sige, may number 2 and 3. Ito pang karagdagang ano dyan. So, ibig sabihin nito, kapag makita niyo po yung ating equation 1 tapos equation 2, hindi siya equal sa dun sa B1 and B2, no? Because, pag yung pong kalimutan natin, equation po, standard form, AX plus BY equals C. Okay? O small letter ng A, small letter ng B. Okay? So, yun po ating sinusunod na equation. Standard form. Okay? So, titignan niyo po agad kung magka-equal sila, yung X and Y, the same time yung kanyang sign. So, pag hindi, that is for number 1. Perpendicular po ang gagawin niya na lines. Magkabaligtaran. At titignan niyo po, okay, yung slope ng equation 1, kapag multiply, it gives negative 1, no? But hindi po sa lahat ng pagkakataon. But yung pinag-usapan dito, negative. Maging negative yung kanyang sagot. The product. Kasi nga titignan nyo dito, yung slope niya, kung dyan sa equation 1 ay meron tayong y. Ito mouse ko. Y equals x. So, 2x. So, that is positive. And then for equation 2, equals negative x. So, if you want to locate the point, para mahanapin yung mga point dito, eh, alam nyo na po yan. Kung ano yung mga point yan. Kasi naaral na po natin. The problem right now is about the system. Ano yung kanya maging lines sa graph. Okay? So, kapag negative po yan, it means that inverse po sila. So, yung isang line, papuntang pa kanan, then yung isa naman ay mag-intersect. Okay? So, yun ang ibig sabihin ng perpendicular. So, kapag ano po ang equation nyo, at i-compare nyo ay, alam nyo na po agad ang inyong sagot. Okay? So, that is perpendicular, one solution. So, meron siyang isang point na magsasatisfy doon sa equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. For number 2, this is parallel lines, ang mabubuo niya. No? Parallel lines. So, ano ba yung kanyang susundin mong formula? So, A1 over A2 equals B1 over B2 equals. But, pagdating kay C, hindi na siya equal. Okay? So, it means that the slope is equal to slope number 2. Slope 2. So, B1 equals B2. So, ayan. So, para tandaan nyo dito, titignan nyo po yung slope niya, 3x. Ayan. Slope niya is 3x. And then, yung B niya ay equal din. So, yun yung sinasabi na A1 equals B1. So, slope 1, slope 2. So, magiging slope kasi yan. So, ayan. Alam niyo na agad kapag ganun makikita. Ang magagawa niya ay parallel lines. At tandaan, kapag parallel lines, means that the same direction, o hindi sila magtatagpo, so wala sang solution ayan, no solution magkaiba. So, that is no solution, inconsistent. Inconsistent ang sagot nyo dun, ha? Kapag one solution, coordinates of a point, ang tawag din sa one solution, that is consistent, independent. Consistent, independent. Okay, the last one, we have the same line. Okay, mga boss. So, it means that equal lahat from A to C. A to C, equal yung lahat ng value. So, makita niyo mo equation 1, x minus y equals negative 3, but tingnan niyo po, it is common. It is in common. So, common of 2, that's why x minus y equals negative 3. Okay, so makita niyo po yung computation dyan. Okay, so huwag kalimutan. That's why it is in same line, one line lang sila. That's why the definition is infinitely many solutions. Marami kasi lahat ang points dyan sa kanya. Okay, at ibang tawag dyan, dependent. Dependent po siya, no? So, consistent, independent. Okay, reviewin natin. Number 1, ito po ay consistent, independent. One solution. Yung perpendicular ng one solution. Parallel lines, yung system niya parallel lines, no solution, so inconsistent. So, tingnan lang po yung dalawang types, consistent, inconsistent. Pag parallel lines, no solution, inconsistent, yun lang. Okay? Kapag ito sa one line o same line, ang tawag naman dyan ay consistent, dependent. Dependent naman. Okay? So, ibig sabihin many solution. So, ayun. Next. Ito pa, karagdagan nyo pa, ng karagdagan pa. So, makita nyo po yung sinasabi natin kanina. So, inconsistent. Okay. No solution. And consistent, independent, perpendicular, one solution. And then, consistent, dependent, one line. Many solutions, infinite solution. Okay. So, dito pa, no? Ang dami para sa inyo lahat. Kasi the same naman yung value niya dito na ginamit natin. Okay. So now we have an example, examples rather. So let us graph the equation 1, equation 2 from 1 and 2, 3 examples. Okay, so let us prove. So y equals 2x plus 2 and then 2y equals 4x plus 4. So you can see it is in, for number 1, it is equal. So this, ibig sabihin nun ay one line siya, no? One line. One line. So that is consistent and dependent. Okay, so getting the value of x, the value of y. Okay, so yung ginamit natin nakaraan, set your x and y to 0. Okay. So we have now 1 and 0 and 0, 2. So yun po mga points na dadaanan niya. So ito po yung red, or orange, o maroon. Okay. So yan po yung line niya about the number 1. And for number 2, number 2 po ay y equals x minus 5 and y equals minus x plus 3. So, makita niyo po agad dito, yung x na positive, then ito po ay negative. So, the same, inverse yung kanyang slope, so it means that perpendicular yan. Ang number 2, perpendicular po ang kanyang mabubuo. So, even if you are going to solve the value, so it is positive and negative x, and then sabi dun, the slope for equation 1 and equation 2 is equal to negative 1 because it is equals to 1 over negative 1, so equals to negative 1. So it satisfies. Okay. So alam nyo na agad dyan. So equals to A1 over A2 is not equal to B1 and B2. So, hindi sila equal, but slope is inverse. Yun lang po. No? Hindi naman po lahat na slope ng dito sa example number 2 natin ay equal to 1, but it is negative inverse. So, tatandaan nyo lang po. Bakit inverse? Kaya nga, ang maubo niyang lines ay perpendicular inverse. So, magka-opposite sila. It will intersect. For number 3, y equals 2x minus 3 and y equals 2x plus 4. So, ito naman po, ang maubo niya ay parallel lines. No? Parallel lines. So, ibig sabihin doon, a1 equals over a2 equals b1 equals b2. So, yung slope niya ay pareho. Slope niya ay pareho. Okay, and then yung a1 equals to b1. So, x and y magkapareho yung ano nila. Okay, yung sa b1 tapos sa b2. Tingnan niyo po, y, and 2x. So, magkapareho. And then, that is inconsistent and no solution. So, alam naman natin lahat yan, no? Okay. So, yun lang kung paano ginagawa yung graph. At malaman natin kung ano yung system, consistent, inconsistent, and then relational, dependent, independent. So, yan naman ang patandaan nyo dito ng dalawa. So, identify the system and graph, and then graph the points. So, we have the examples here. So, x plus y equals 7, x plus y equals 1. So, equation 1, equation 2. So, ito po ay consistent and independent one solution. Okay? Bakit? Because the equation of this equation about a1 is not equal to b1 but inverse. Inverse po yung kanyang slope. Inverse ang slope niya, kaya perpendicular pa ang buo niya. And then, getting the value of x and y, alam nyo na po yung kung paano kununin. So, para talaga mapatunayan nyo, okay, find the points. Okay, and then, finally, you will get the equation that is perpendicular to each other. That's why you can create the perpendicular lines. Yan. So, your, how do we call that? Your conclusion, it is consistent and independent in one solution. Okay? So, kitang-kita naman po yung ating dito. So, ano lang po, apply yung ating kung paano magkuha yung mga points. Okay, for number 2 and 3. Okay, for number 2, we have the equation 2x plus 3y equals 6 and 4x plus 6y equals 12. So, mapapansin niyo po, if you are going to simplify that, maging pareho na po yung equation nila. By simplifying this, so it is divisible by 3. I'm sorry, 2. Divisible by 2. So, it becomes 2x plus 3y. So, the same. So, yun. So, then, flatten the points. Then, drawing the lines. Okay. So, you will get the answer. So, makita nyo po, it lies to a same line. Okay. Parang linya po ang nabuo nila. And at the same time, many solutions or infinite solutions. Okay. So, paano nakuha yung mga points ay you will apply the lahat ng ating naral nung last time, no? Kung paano kinukuha yung mga points natin dito. So, by setting the value of x and y. Okay. And for number 3, we have here y equals 1 half x plus 2 and y equals 1 half x minus 1. So, the procedure here is a equals to b1. So, a equals to b1. Okay, and then you can make a line as a parallel. Okay, so it means that your slope is equal. Or a equals to b1 and a2 equals to b2. Okay, so then your conclusion is consistent and no solution. Dahil parallel sila, hindi sila magtatagpo. wala sila magtatagpong point, okay? That is inconsistent. Ayun. So, yun po ang ating topic about the system of linear equation. So, malaman niyo po lahat doon. Okay? So, aralin mabuti lang po at then apply yung mga how to find the points by using the different formula dun sa ating mga nakaraang lesson. Okay? So, that's all po and magkita ulit po tayo sa sunod and God bless.